Hello there, and welcome to a quick overview tutorial of the integration of the Manifold CRM system and a user's Google Calendar. So obviously, for each user, a Google account needs to be set up with the respective calendar, which is linked to the same email address that they use to log into the system. Once that is in place and it is indicated that the user wants their Google Calendar synced with their Manifold system, basically the system will then take care of the rest. So this email address and login credentials that we're using is for a user that we've named demo user, and let's go and see how the calendar integrates. So we first log in. Basically it will show the user's regular calendar down the left hand side. That's in the Manifold system, and within 30 seconds or so, the system has had time to go to demo user's Google account, to their calendar, to go and retrieve events that are in their calendar that are not linked to any inquiries or transactions in the Manifold system. And basically it is highlighted here when a message comes up at the top to say that. Alright, let's go and have a look at what has been found on the Google Calendar. So in essence, there are two events that are examples, and these two events have not been linked to anything, to any transactions in the system, and they then need to be linked. So just to show you the power of how this fits together, let's have a look at this unlinked Google Calendar example 1 on the 27th of May. We'll go to the user's Google Calendar. We'll go to the 27th of May. We have the information there. Let's go and change that to example 25, and let's save that. Okay, if we go back to Manifold and we wait for a sec for it to update, we will see that the information there has updated, which is showing that the information in the Manifold system is linking directly to the Google Calendar. To link it to a particular transaction, you're literally going to say link, and this is the work in progress that we've got at the moment, and we're going to say, right, that one we want linked to that particular transaction, and it is now linked it. We see that it is now in demo user's account calendar for the 27th of May. It will appear in the workflow calendar. The message has popped up again. That's because this one hasn't been linked. Alright, if we go and alter that and we call that 101 and we save that in our Manifold system, what we will see is if we go to the Google Calendar, that information has been updated on the Google Calendar. So basically by that you can see that there's full and complete integration between the Manifold system and a user's Google Calendar. So the big advantage with regards to having this complete integration is that as long as you link your other computers, laptops, mobile devices, tablets, etc. to your Google Calendar, you've now got complete integration between all your devices, and your calendars and all of them are the same, your business calendars, that is. So alterations can be made using the calendar on your phone. That in essence will sync to your Google Calendar, which will come back and will update your Manifold system, and vice versa, which is very handy when you want to provide feedback for something that you need to remember from a particular event, appointment, or whatever the case that you have been to. It's easy to log it on your phone, and you know that your main system will be updated automatically. Thanks very much for listening.